Hey babe, I know where we can get some Coke. I heard they make a ton of it.
Where?
Man, I wish I could fucking fly. Do you want to read it? You want me to read it?
Which one? All of it?
What does that say? History of the Leetonia and the Coke Ovens.
The Cherry Valley Coke Ovens consisted of
Here,
a battery of 200 Coke ovens built by the what is it?
Leetonia. I don't know.
Leetonia Iron and Coal Company around 1866. The Leetonia Iron and Coal Company's first blast furnace was put into operation in 1867. The Grafton Iron Workers near the western edge of the town was also put into operation that year. The village of Leetonia, I can't even say it right.
Let me read it.
Go ahead.
you want me to put that in a video?
Go ahead. All right.
You just keep getting the name wrong.
I know.
200 Coke ovens built by the Leetonia. Built by the Leetonia. The Leetonia Iron and Coal Company's first blast furnace was put into operation in 1867.
Okay, I had to get it out.
We gotta find this Coke.
Sorry, I had to get it.
The Leetonia Iron and Coal Company went bankrupt in 1873 and was taken over by the Cherry Valley Iron Works. Did you know that?
No, I didn't know that.
Today we're in Leetonia, Ohio, finding a little piece of American history that had major contributions to the growth of America. The Cherry Valley Coke Ovens. The coke from these ovens were historically famed for producing some of the purest, highest quality carbon fuel in the region. There's an Irish businessman, William Lee, who discovered the rich deposits of coal, ore, and lime under the soil of Leetonia. He bought the surrounding land, establishing the company, the Leetonia Coal and Iron Company. This coke was burned in furnaces that produced iron and steel. Now, this coal was dumped into large ovens where it was heated up to 2,400 degrees Fahrenheit, which removes most of coal's gases and converts it to coke. This coke is used because it burns with intense heat with little smoke. So the coke, along with iron ore and limestone, is sent to the blast furnace. The elements are hoisted to the top of a furnace and sprinkled in layers into the stove. The hot air rising melts the falling ore. The molten iron collects at the bottom and is just drained out. The impurities rise to the top of the ore and are just skimmed off. The coke produced from Cherry Valley Coke Ovens did this better than any in America. So if you find yourself in Leetonia, check it out before it's inevitably swallowed back into nature.
That's crazy that these things are that old.
See, look, I'm going to show you a fucking fancy little detail. This is how you get some motherfucking cool ass video. Shit, look, professional. Boom. Got it. Got it.
I already got a couple of them.
Got it.
I'm about to get it.
Get that on camera. Cool. Oh, good.
I did get it on camera. Okay, I'm recording this whole thing.
No, you didn't.
Okay.
Look at that. You gonna get it?
I can get it without.
Get all up on it. Yeah. Alright. Slightly back up and show the cooker oven. The Coke oven.
I don't like the way the sun's hitting that.
Looks good.
Oh, look, them booty cheeks are waggling. No, you're not doing it. No, same leg, same arm.
We weren't doing that. I was doing that.
It's not running.
It was.
Ooh, a tree went right through that one. That's pretty cool.
So they were cooking out of these in the 1900s, right?
Before that. 18.
In the 1800s. And
Before
look at
that.
what they look like now in 2025.
Right. That's what I said. That's
Imagine what they're gonna look like in another
century.
200, well, 100 years. They probably won't even be here.
I don't know.
I mean, you see that down the tree. You see all the brick falling out.
Well, there's holes in the tops of them.
I know.
But really, if you look at them, they're still really structurally sturdy inside there, like around.
Because they said they would fill it up, and
Yep.
then they would close
Close it.
this off, and
Yep.
then it would just come out
Yeah.
the top.
That's why you see all this. Because they'd close it up with this like mud, that mud like clay like stuff. Almost like, you know, how they do pottery.
And then before it went to complete ash, they would water it, which is probably why it's right next to some water.
Yes, they probably use that water to.
God, I'm so smart.
They probably siphoned it out of there. They probably had like some kind of siphons set up.
Awesome.
Okay, hold on.
And this is what I get. Oh, am I in your way?
I was just trying to get a good. Come over here. Okay, you ready?
Yeah, I'm ready. That was a nice shot. I really like that shot.
Yeah?
Yeah. You going all the way down?
Yeah.
Now it's warmed up.
I don't know. Weird. How warm it probably was to walk through here.
Well, we didn't find any Coke, but there was a lot of history. It was a nice little trail. Something to look at.
Beautiful. History. Beautiful.
Let's go find something else.
Look out, world. We're going to find a new thing.
Bye!